yoga as such did not come into existence from the time Maharshi Patanjali came. It was there much, much before itself, but he gave it in a particular structure. He compiled it and he brought in a kind of like a formula kind of a structure, sutras, just few lines. So when you look at chants, shlokas, if you look, there are many lines, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, all that goes in. But here it's a very specific formula kind of it, like mathematics. So A plus B equals to C. That's it. So sometimes it's very, very specific to like that, like, very, very crisp, very, very concise, and but very deep. It's not that, oh, it's just, I just have to learn this and then everything is set. No, this requires a lot more practice, a lot more thought process, a lot more introspection, a lot more study to really understand and apply the formula. Like, for example, when you learned maths, you learned a formula. Yeah. So, like, what is the formula? Maybe you found out what it is and then you memorize the formula, and then you can say that, okay, if they ask you, a plus b the whole square is equal to dash, then you can just say a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? So it's very simple. But at the same time, if I give you a problem, if I give you a question wherein you have to apply this formula and get an answer to it, right? If I just teach you a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. If I just teach you, you will just memorize it and it's over. But if I give you a problem, if I give you a mathematical problem wherein you will have to use this formula and to derive a solution, then you need to not just remember the formula, you also need to apply. Okay, if I've taught you one formula, fine, you can always apply it. A is equal to so much, B is equal to so much, and then you will apply the formula, you will get this. What if I have taught you 5 different formulas? Okay, there is a plus b the whole square, and then a minus b the whole square plus, or a square minus b square. So many different formulas I have given you. And then I've given you a series of problems. Now what is it? It's not just the solving. First, you need to know for which problem, which formula should I be using. Only then you get the solution. You can't just choose, okay, first one I will use this one. For the second problem, I will use the third one. You can't just do however it is, right? You need to study the problem. You need to know which equation to apply, which formula to apply. Then you bring in that formula, see what are all the numbers to that. How do you put it? Like, let A is equal to so much, let B is equal to so much. And then you apply the formula and then work on it and you get the solution. Then it is not just memorizing the formula, but you also need to understand the concept behind it. Only if I understand the concept behind it, I will be able to understand which formula to use. Yes or no? So similarly is what Yoga Sutras is about. Yoga Sutras has 196 formulas. Okay. How to apply, where to apply, when to apply, what to apply. So all these things are given. And it's beautifully given in the form of a flow chart.